Can you read that? Can you read that? We got something sent to us from Madman's Minis out of Lehi, Utah. I'm thinking it has something that might work for this. Let's find out. I'm doing the one-handed opening procedure. Alright. I'm going to master this one-handed thing one day. Moving the box. Ooh. What's this? Focusing. Focus. Please do not flash towards the human eye. I love warning labels that come like that. Ooh. There they are. If you don't know what these are, these are LED flashers. Strobes. They're battery powered. You can hook them up to a drone, for example, like this. I've seen pictures of them being hooked up to bicycles. These are sweet. Let's charge them up and let's see what they look like. Alright, moment of truth. These took about an hour and a half to charge. They are USB-C compatible right here. Here's your power button. Here's your remote. And see how it says, do not flash towards the human eye? It's not joking when it says that. I went blind for about a minute. So let's do this. Hold her down. And get blinded. Ooh, yeah. Uh-huh. Can you see that? I'm just going to turn it down so it doesn't flare it out. Here's your remote. Let's change the color. So you change the color by pressing the button here. There's red. There's green. There's blue. It's got 1, 2, 3, 6, 8 LEDs around, and then the flasher. So yeah, I'm going to try to put it on this drone. These things are cool. And I hear this has quite the range, so you can fly your drone up and do the remote right here. And yeah, you should be able to control it for quite the distance, even with your drone up in the sky. These things are sweet. Let's get blinded.